Ever feel like your best YouTube comments are getting lost in a sea of everything else? I'm here to show you how to take control and highlight the comments that truly matter. Let's dive into pinning comments on YouTube. Why a simple trick that can supercharge your channel's engagement. First, head over to your YouTube studio and find the video with the comment you want to showcase. Then, scroll down to the comments section, locate the comment you wish to pin. See those three little vertical dots to the right of the comment. Click on them. A drop-down menu will pop up. Now, look for the option that says pin and click it. YouTube will ask you to confirm your choice. This is your chance to double-check you're pinning the right comment. Click pin again. Congratulations! Your chosen comment is now pinned to the top of your comment section. It will appear directly below your video description, ensuring maximum visibility for all your viewers. The comment will also say pinned by your channel name. Now, what if you want to pin a different comment? No problem. Just find the comment you previously pinned and click the three dots next to that comment. Select the option to unpin. This will unpin the current comment and allow you to pin a different one. Simply follow the earlier steps to pin a new comment. Pinning comments is a fantastic way to highlight positive feedback, answer frequently asked questions, or even add important information to your video. So go ahead, give it a try and start shaping the conversation on your YouTube channel.